Bonjour! In today's video, we're going to learn how to cook a sunny side-up fried eggs, or œufs sautés à la poêle. If you travel to France, you ask for œufs sautés à la poêle. And easy over fried eggs, œufs à la diable. And diable, for your information, means devil. I don't know why he called like that, but it's like that. But first, welcome to our channel. I'm Olivier, I'm a French professional cook, and our channel is dedicated to try to teach you all the technique we have in restaurant, but the easy way. Like that is going to beat your confidence, and you're going to discover cooking is not difficult. So today, to do œufs sautés à la poêle, or sunny side up fried eggs, you need a pan. I already put the heat on, I'm going to put a little bit more. Some eggs. Little bit of butter. Butter is facultative, but I'm going to do the original French recipe. So they use butter, some salt and some pepper, and little bit of ramequin. So first, I'm going to put some butter in my pan, like that. I'm going to prepare my eggs. Always clean, always directly to the bin. So when the butter is starting to be brown, you can put a little bit of salt, and you put your egg. It's a little bit too quick. Reduce the heat. So when you season your eggs, never season your yellow, always the white. Come to see me closer. So you have your eggs, so you seasoning just the white on the top, not too much because don't forget we put it under as well. So your egg is cooked almost, and you have your sunny side up fried eggs or œufs à la poêle. Now I'm going to show you how to do a œuf à la diable or easy over fried eggs. Same principle, you put a little bit of butter, you took your eggs in your ramequin, like that. I always put a little bit of salt, and we start exactly the same principle as the fried eggs. So when the white is starting to be taken, put a little bit of salt. So it's almost done, so come to see closer. I'm going to show you. So this is your sunny side fried eggs, and now we're going to do an easy over fried eggs. So just turn it, flip it, and you have your easy over fried eggs, or œufs à la diable in French. So don't leave too much time on this side. As soon you can flip again, and you have your easy over fried eggs. As you can see, it's very quick and easy to succeed the perfect sunny side up fried eggs and the sunny easy over fried eggs. So I hope you love this video. And as I said each time, if you have any recipe you struggle with, please leave me the name of the recipe in your comment, and I'm going to show you how to do it properly. Don't forget to subscribe and to ring the bell. It helps our channel. À bientôt et bon appétit!